is Karen Servick. My husband Joe and I opened Stay and Play Indoor Dog Park. We're an indoor dog park where it's safe, clean, and away from the elements. We're located in Newcastle, Pennsylvania, in the old Lawrence Village Plaza. Now they're calling it Shenango Commons. So we're one of the new businesses in the new developing plaza. We have a play membership, which is a monthly membership, 24-hour access, 7 days a week. You can come anytime you want and play with your dog. We also offer punch card memberships for dogs that maybe are shy or don't do well with other dogs. They can come when there's staff here and they have a separate area where they would play. We have a trainer, she's great. We do puppy classes, adult classes, she does spot classes. We have a great eclectic retail area with local vendors, and then we also have this spa, which is a self-wash areas for the dogs. Today's ribbon cutting was just to obviously bring the officials in and let people that are kind of in the know in the area know that we're here. Our official grand opening is Saturday from 9 to 5. Any first visit is a non-dog visit so that people can look at the site to make sure that we're a good fit and they want to be here. My background is not business. My degree is exercise science, and I've been a massage therapist for 25 years. So I didn't have a clue how to write a business plan. So Duquesne University, SBDC, helped me formulate. They had a template, they had the financial part of it, and then they also helped me with the narrative part of it. So honestly, without Duquesne University, SBDC, I wouldn't even have a business plan, so big help. I would definitely recommend Duquesne University, SBDC, to anyone that is interested in being an entrepreneur. It made a huge difference in my business plan, understanding the process, knowing what I was getting into, the finances, all of that. So it was a huge help.